Here are the top 5 apps to run my marketing agency. So number 1, Google Workspace. I'm not sure if it's considered an app, but it is the most important tool that we have in our business. We run Gmail, Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Drive, Calendar, meetings. There's so much you can do with just Google Workspace that it is an absolutely must-have app whenever you're running a business. Number 2, a project management tool. We're using ClickUp. There's a lot of other project management tools out there, but without a project management tool, things just get mixed up and crazy and it just becomes a nightmare. So it's not really the tool itself. With great systems and processes, you can have a very streamlined system, and the project management tool helps speed that up. Number 3, we use Slack. Slack is a great tool just to do all the quick messages and quick back and forth versus have to send emails or text messaging. I hate getting text messages because I feel like that should be reserved for personal messages. So Slack's a great tool to get quick messages back and forth. Number 4, my favorite tool to use is Canva. I know a lot of designers are not going to like this answer, but Canva has been an absolute game changer. There's so many reasons why it's so great, but templates, easy to collaborate on, just easy to use, all those things. But Canva has been an absolute game changer for design. And number 5, unfortunately, we still have to use those powerhouse tools in Adobe, so Adobe Creative Suite. So we got Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe Premiere. There's a couple other tools, but those are the main ones that we still use, and not so much myself, but our designers are using to do some of the design and video editing. So those are my top 5.